Hey, how are everybody? I'm gonna show you how to replace the latch in the console CX5. It's easy and it's easy to bracket. So let me show you how is to the right way to replace the latch on the console. Thank you. Well, the console is easy to dismounting, to put it on in the screwdriver over here and pop up, this piece, and then only you have to push the axle over here, this axle, and put out. And this one I got it, the original product in Amazon, like $10. $10 exactly is the price, the original product. And then only you have to change, is the push out, the axle with the same screwdriver, and then push in, and then just push the piece. Because I have to pull out, and then is the right way is putting back first, and then pull out. That's it.